how to upload music on SoundCloud. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. First of all, you have to open up your SoundCloud and log into your account. After that, in the right upper section, you'll be able to see the arrow sign which is encircled with a circle. So you have to simply click on it, and after that you have to tap on OK option over here. After tapping on that, a file will be opened, and from here you have to select the music which you want to upload. And after selecting the music, you have to enter the name of the music and describe over there. And you can also decide whether you want to make the music public or not, and by doing that you can simply tap on publish and your music will be published. So by following this simple step, you can upload music on SoundCloud. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.